Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow who was flying around looking for water. After flying for a while, he saw a pitcher of water on the ground. But then he looked inside. He saw that the water level was too low for him to reach. The crow tried to tip the pitcher over to get the water. The crow had idea. He started to pick up small pebbles and drop them into the pitcher one by one. The water level in the pitcher started to rise. Enough for the few to